One of my favorite ways to start the day is by making an omelet. So today I will be showing you how I prepare an omelet the way I like it. Step 1. You'll need eggs, butter, green pepper, mushrooms, and cheese. Step 2. When cutting the green pepper, I like to start by slicing off the sides of the pepper. Then I'll cut thin strips. This makes it easier to dice. Up next, mushrooms. I don't have the best technique for dicing mushrooms, so just have at it. Step 3. It's pretty simple. Put a tablespoon of butter onto a hot pan and make sure all the surface area is covered. Step 4. I like to make an omelet with 4 eggs. I'll start by cracking each egg into a bowl. Then once each egg is in the bowl, I'll stir for a couple of minutes until I get a very soupy consistency. This is what you want your eggs to look like after you've stirred them for a while. Once all stirred, take your beaten eggs and pour them into a hot frying pan. Step 5. Once your eggs are in the frying pan, you want to stir them occasionally, pulling the congealing egg into the middle. Once most of your egg is solid, take a spatula and loosen the sides of the egg from the pan. Now add your mushrooms, green pepper, and cheese to one side of the omelet. Now that all of your extra ingredients are on the omelet, with your spatula, fold the other side in half. Next, take your pan to your plate and plop your omelet onto the plate. Now, enjoy your omelet.